We're going to be exploring Alamo City Motorplex, which is a closed down drag racing strip that I drive by on I-10 all the time. But I decided, you know what? Let's explore it. So, what the answer is. So, without further ado, let's get this thing popping. And the drone is up, people. The drone is up. All right. Where we want to go is right over yonder. And there you see there you can see the sign. And what we're gonna do is go on over here to this racetrack, baby. I have noticed when I did my update that now when you go 3x like so, it does the 3x and it automatically starts recording, which I don't think it did that before, people. So if y'all noticed that, comment down below, because I remember plenty of times when I hit the 3x and I would forget to hit record and I would be pissed off. But now it seems via the update that they have changed it to where when you hit 3x from the 1x that it automatically starts recording, which I love it. That way I won't forget to do it. But there you go. I'm pretty sure that police vehicle is just a old vehicle and not a real police officer sitting there chillaxing. Or maybe it is a real police officer making sure nobody comes in here and uses it as a drag strip and kill themselves. But anyway, so there we go, party people. And there goes our police vehicle, which we can actually zoom in a little bit closer. That's 6x. We can even go 9. And yeah, there's nobody in there, so we good to go. Bam, get up out of that bad boy. It's like a whole different world when you zoom in with that 3x, baby. Go on, hit that one. So yeah, see how high up we 18. So we gonna fly this bad boy. We gonna fly it. We gonna hit sports mode. Bam! We gonna fly it like we racing. Come on, come on. All right, we got like 9 minutes of battery left, so. Guess we're gonna do a couple of little drone moves. Let's show it from the back. Oh, let me get out of sport mode, cause that bad boy is moving kind of too damn fast for cinematic look. And there you have it from the back. That's what that boy looked like. Like I said, right off of I-10, the good old infamous I-10. Good old infamous I-10. And there's your overview. And now, let's return to home.
Return to home.
And there you go, people. Another beautiful, beautiful landing. I hope you enjoy this. And like I always say, with all that fancy smancy stuff, just get out there and fly your damn drone and have fun. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. To the next episode, people. Peace.